Hello to everyone, this is Miduna. Now we are going to see the telephonic conversation. Telephonic conversation was introduced by Ul Soyanika, born in 1934, is a famous Nigerian poet and playwright, and he was educated at Government College in Ilbadian, Nigeria, and later he was studied at Leeds University in England, and where he took a degree in English. He taught in English London School and also worked in Royal Court Theatre. Now we are going to see the what are the not a part of telephonic conversation. So if someone is on the phone, you need to talk them to say, "Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?" It is important. When you are on phone, you need to speak to someone else. Say, "Please excuse me, I need to answer a quick question." Don't ask question and make component about the phone conversation the place in the presence but do you to concern you. So this is a not part in conversation. You have to use this. And time for phone. When you call someone, ask if it is a good time to talk. If you should call later. If you are possible to take attend the call, or else you not to attend the call, you should tell call you later. If a phone conversation goes may longer, is expected say, may I call you later, right back, or may I call you back later. It's the right procedure. And then try not to call after 9:30 at night and before 9 a.m. unless it is very urgent. Try not to make call during dinner hours. If there is emergency, you need to say after call back after the meals. And message, if there is a person is unavailable means you have to need to message, always ask to take a message of person is unavailable, and make sure you write down the message, make sure the message is going to right person, and make sure the phone message is clear to them, and if necessary ask the caller to repeat his or message and repeat her name. Always read the telephone number back to the caller. Make sure you wrote down it correctly. And this is the right way to message. And how to answering the phone. When someone asks, "Who is this?" say, "To whom do you wish to speak?" Do not tell him or her name. First, you have to ask, "Who is this?" Second thing is, when someone call, "Who is this please?" or "Who is calling please?" May I let him? Who is calling? This is the right way to answering the call. Say just a moment, set the phone down and find the person who is wanted on the phone rather than yelling for them. So who you want to speak means you have to wait, just so you have to say just a moment please, and I have to find the right person and give you two later. And soliciting call. Soliciting call, choose whether or not a written unsolicited message or voicemail. If you receive the solicitation call, state that you are not interested, thank you, and hang up. Which means and this call is from other states, etc. When other peoples are involved, do not carry on extended phone calls when you are visiting or having a visitor. In if for example in home there are many relatives means you have to hang up your phone and you will say, "I'll call you right back," or I call you later. You have to wind up the call. When you are waiting for a call, say so at the beginning of the conversation, "So I am in call, so I will call you, I will meet you later." Acknowledge partners or spouses when you are on call, so you have to ask them, "I'm in call." Public use. Public phone use. When using public phone, be aware of others who may need use the phone and keep your conversation brief. And do not rip the pages and phone book for the person, your right person. So this is the right way. You are in your public conversation, you have to be aware in all them. And lost at last message. You have to clear what you are going to send your message for the right person at the right time. if they are in available. Thank you.